Welcome to the next phase of our hip roof gazebo construction journey. Arguably the most challenging part of the project. Cutting all the roof rafters to the right size and angle. After extensive research, I stumbled upon blocklayer.com, a fantastic resource for generating hip roof plans. By inputting our measurements and lumber specifications, such as using 2x6 rafters and 2x8 ridge, we were able to get precise plans tailored to our project. We had to cut various types of rafters: common or king rafters, hip rafters, left and right jack rafters, and the ridge, knowing our roof pitch, in our case 5x12. We used a carpenter square and a piece of wood as a template to get the right pitch angle for cutting the rafters. Initially, we practiced with sample cuts or scrap materials to gain confidence. Once ready, we tackled the actual lumber. Cutting the rafters was indeed the toughest part, but once completed, assembling them was straightforward, easy. The plan also provided measurements for cutting the bird's mouth, an essential detail for the proper rafter placement. For the hip rafters, we had to perform double cutting to ensure the right fit during our roof framing. Using the cut rafters as templates, we ensured accuracy and cut the remaining rafters accordingly. Once we had all the rafters cut to the size and angle, we began the assembly process. We started by placing the common or king rafters on each side, ensuring they were aligned properly. Next, we position the ridge in place, connecting the two sides and providing support for the hip rafters. With the ridge securely in place, we moved on to installing the hip rafters. These rafters span from the corners of the building to the ridge, forming the hips of the roof. And for the jack rafters, We utilized bevel cutting to achieve the perfect fit. Once we had one jack rafter, in my personal opinion the hardest rafter to do, the other side was a mirror copy. Finally, we completed the roof framing by installing the jack rafters. These rafters filled the space between the hip rafters and the common rafters, providing additional support and structure to the roof. We used construction screws throughout the framing process, ensuring stability and durability. Overall, the hip roof framing turned out even better than we expected, a testament to our hard work and meticulously planning. Join us in the next part as we move on to the next stage of our project. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along as we continue to bring our vision to life.